Let the birthday weekend commence! We're here at Universal Studios. We are staying at Cabana Bay. We got a Volcano Bay View room, which we are about to go check out. I'm so excited. And then there's so much fun things planned for this weekend, so let's go. We just made it in the room, so I wanted to give you a quick little room tour. I'll do a whole other video dedicated to this, but this bathroom here, we've got, a full-length mirror on the door here. That's really nice, actually. And then come over here. We did get a 2-queen bed. Looks great. I've already been here once before, and I can tell you the beds are pretty comfy in my opinion. I like this like retro 70s-ish, 60s looking vibe. I don't really know what you would call it, but it's very like colorful. Oh my gosh, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me that isn't stunning. That is so cool. At night, this whole place is lit up. We'll be here tomorrow, which I'm so excited about, but oh my god. This is amazing. I could literally sit here all day and watch this. And you know what? Maybe I will. Maybe today I will do that as well as go to the pool. Okay, I changed into my birthday dress. We just took some pictures in here with the volcano in the window. So now we're just going to go downstairs and get a couple more pictures and videos. And then we're going to go get food, so I'm going to bring you so we can show you what types of food they have, but we're going to bring it back up here so that we can eat quickly. And then I'm going to change into my bathing suit. We're going to grab our books, and then we're going to go down to the pool. We came back to the front of the hotel. There's the sign, Cabana Bay, and they've got these really cool classic cars out front here, which I might try to use for some pictures. Also, Shanika's with me. Hello. And there are 2 more people coming later tonight to celebrate, but we're gonna head over to the lobby right now. We're gonna head over to the other side because we want to see if there are other spots. The cars didn't really work out well, so we're just gonna look for some greenery or something, literally anything. Okay, we're gonna look at the menus really quick and see. There's quite a few places to eat around here, surprisingly. So we're gonna just look at and see what is where, and then kind of decide what we want to have for dinner, because we just found out we haven't eaten at all day, and both of us didn't realize. So we're gonna eat really quick, get some food, and we're gonna bring it back up though, and then we'll go to the pool after, if there's still sun left. All right, so we decided to just go to the diner. The most options were there, but they all around, even like the bar and food areas around the pools, have a lot of options. And they had like gyros or heroes, however you want to call them. They had like a specific pizza place, but then they also have pizza at the diner, which I feel like the pizza place probably has better pizza. We just walked in, and I don't know if you can see him, but there's just a random minion. There's just a random minion in the middle of the lobby. This is the dining area, like the main dining area. And there is a ton of seating here, lots of space. And then we're gonna actually head inside here. Well, I mean, it's open, it's right here. All right, they've got like a grab and go section. I mean, it's all really grab and go, but they also have refillable souvenir cups here. Same as kind of Disney, where you get one for your length of stay. So you pay for it based on your length of stay. So like 7 days, $22, 3 days, $18, 1 day, $12.50, and then it's refillable. They have like snack packs, fruits, cheesecake, little pastas, homemade hoagies or pre-made hoagies, sandwiches, s'mores sticks. Can we make s'mores here? All right, first, hot off the grill, we've got things like chili cheese dogs, beef dogs. They've got cheeseburgers, chicken sandwiches, chicken tenders. At International Eats, we've got the beef churrasco, mojo chicken, ahi tuna bowl, chicken stir fry, shrimp stir fry. At the pizza place, we've got pizza. I ended up going with the beef churrasco, and they're cooking the steak right there for us, depending on how we wanted it cooked. So they even ask you. Okay, we just got back to the view and the room, but the view, and we both got steak. So I was telling you a little bit there too that they asked how you wanted your steak cooked, which is really nice. I was not expecting. Sorry, this was about to fall. I was not expecting that at all. It came with chimichurri, and I got rice and mashed potatoes. She got veggies, but some of the veggies I'm allergic to, so I couldn't get those. And then she spotted this glorious thing, which is a margarita bucket, and it comes with a pre-mixed margarita, literally a salt things for salt, which this is so much salt, but you can put the salt rim on this, so we'll experiment and I'll show you how this happens once we do it. This is Shanique's Margarita Show.
Do I speak in the British accent?
If that's how you feel, baby, express yourself.
Why did the other cup just come off when I...
What the heck?
Welcome back. Gonna try out our margaritas. Just rinsed them out. Both of them came off their stem. So first of all, hoping I can get it back on it. One thing we didn't think about until literally just now is ice. We set that on the way up here and then we didn't get that. So one of us is gonna have to go find some ice. But I just don't understand how this works. This was not made for me to open. Why is this so hard? What, something spilled?
Something might have spilled in my bag. Because...
No.
What was it? Tell me.
Okay, so first of all, this is just straight bucket of salt.
That's what I was saying, is that's so much salt.
Like, do I just, like, how does it stick? Also, the cup doesn't even fit in there. The cup is too big for it.
Does it fit in the actual thing? The white thing?
No, not like that unless, I mean, I can go like around. But yeah, we definitely need water or something. I said we go get ice, dip our cup into the bucket of ice.
Okay.
And then go around with the salt.
Okay.
But there is enough salt here to feed a small village. And then like, it's not even a huge margarita thing either. That's the funny part. Take two. We have the ice. I'm like, which vlog camera do I look
Just
at?
stare in the middle, like right here.
But then it looks weird on this one. Okay. My head, nope, that makes no sense. Hold on. I haven't.
You know what would have been easier than that? I should just run it under the sink at this point.
You know what? Timea, we needed the ice anyways. It does work. I mean, barely, but she's sticking. She has some ice on it.
It's not working enough.
It's not working enough.
Okay, I say we just...
I don't even like salt around the rim.
Why are we doing this?
This is fine. Everything is okay. Cheers.
You look like you're in a commercial. Why are you holding it up? You're holding it up like that.
It's a margarita.
Is it like...
She's very sweet.
Is it watered down or no?
I don't know. Why does it look like I'm now taking sips against my will? It's 10% alcohol.
Okay.
That's not bad. We're just gonna...
It's a little sad, but we'll get more drinks.
We'll get more drinks later.
All right, I'm gonna give the margarita a taste. Cheers. I see what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good though. It doesn't taste bad. It does taste primarily mixy. All right, let's dig into this dinner. I'm curious to see what this is like. Mashed potato. That's actually pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not unseasoned.
Is it cold already?
Oh yeah, it's a little bit cold.
Damn.
Yeah. The rice. Tastes like rice. It's pretty good. Now I got some chimichurri on my steak. That's pretty good. I will say I don't think the steak is very... It tastes marinated, but doesn't taste seasoned, if that makes sense. So, like, you can taste the marinated... You can taste it's been marinated, but there's no, like, actual, like, physical seasoning. Or at least it doesn't taste as strongly. But it tastes really good. Way better than I expected. It's a lot of food.
Big plate.
It's a lot of food. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like at night. It's so pretty. So they literally cleared out the whole park in... Well, they got everyone out of the lazy river and the slides and everything in 4 minutes from closing. And then they cleared out the whole park in like 20 minutes. It was actually very impressive to see. Everyone just was out. There was also not that many people left by closing time. I think people may have thought that the park closed earlier, or people were just like heading out. We've just been sitting here on the bed, just like chit-chatting and stuff. And looking at this view and listening, like, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's tiki music going on down here that we can actually hear in the room, and I'm honestly vibing with it. we kind of wish that we had a little thing in here to like turn up so we could listen to it in here. Okay, because I'm literally 100 years old now. It's 9:02 and I'm ready for bed. I could read my little book for a little bit and go to sleep. I'm so this close to washing my face and going to sleep. But I can't because I'm waiting for 2 more friends to get here. And they're not here yet. They probably won't be here until like 10 p.m. at least is what they told me because they're coming from another staycation at Epcot. I know they're bougie. And so Shanique and I are about to go do a little Pilates workout or anything because both of us are about to fall asleep. And we need to stay awake or else they cannot come into the room. And that would be a problem.
Pretty soon, it's gonna start getting harder. You have
It got harder
5
the
more.
second we started.
Yeah. I don't look, I'm trying to look in the camera, but I don't look like her at all. I look very disfigured. You know what we should do is we should watch F1. Because that's better. Okay, well, we realized that the practice 3 isn't till 10:30 tonight because it's in Japan, time change, whatever. So we're going back to the Pilates.
And breath out.
And this is how you look snatched before you go to Volcano Bay for a water park. This is what you do. You do 5-minute Pilates at 10 o'clock at night right before you go to a water park.
You hit your psychosis.
Really slow arm movement. Good work. Hold up. Straighten one leg out to 45 degrees. Draw it back in. Nice and strong. 5.
All right, while we're waiting for Sam and Danielle to get here, we're gonna watch some TV or movie or something. I'm gonna try so hard to stay awake. The working out worked for like 10 minutes and now my energy's down again. So yeah, if I don't see you guys tonight, then I will see you tomorrow. If this is the end of the vlog, because it might be, I'll decide when I edit. But if it is, then thank you so much for sticking around and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog where we go to Volcano Bay. It's gonna be so much fun. Thank you guys so much. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Have a wonderful week and magical month, and I'll see y'all in the next one.